Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are safe at home. Today we are going to talk about Unit 3, Lesson 2, the Earth. Today we are going to talk about the Earth and why it's suitable for living on it, why it's the best planet for the living organisms. First, the Earth planet revolves around the Sun in 365 quarter days, which equal 1 year. They complete one rotation around the Sun every 1 year. Earth is in the third position according to the distance from the Sun, which about 150 million kilometers away from the Sun. Earth is in the fourth position according to its volume. Concerning the volume, Earth occupies a medium position in the solar system. So it's bigger than the smaller planet like the Mercury, Venus, and Mars, and it occupies the fourth order regarding the volume. So its average radius is about 6,386 kilometers approximately. First, we will talk about the mass of the Earth. The Earth's mass is about 5.9 times 10 power 24 kilogram. The biggest mass in the inner planets. First, why the Earth is suitable for the life in why it's suitable for life. It has gravity, it has suitable pressure, has suitable temperature, and has hydrosphere, which is water part, and suitable atmosphere. We will talk about everything to know why it's suitable for life. First, we will talk about the Earth's atmosphere. Earth has an atmosphere which consists of different gases, which is oxygen 21%, nitrogen 78%, and carbon dioxide 0.03%, and we talked about it before in primary 6. Oxygen, which help in burning of the fuel and used in respiration process. We can't live without oxygen. Nitrogen, which help in forming proteins and reduce the burning effect of oxygen gas. Carbon dioxide, which is very important in photosynthesis process that the plants make to produce oxygen, and they used in help in extinguishing fire. What is the importance of atmosphere? Atmosphere help in burning meteors and meteoroids before reaching the Earth. And the weather and climate phenomena take place at the wind movement and the clouds formation and rain falling. All of these help the atmosphere to make all of these phenomena. It contains ozone layer which protect us from ultraviolet radiations coming from the Earth, coming from the Sun, and helps in keeping the temperature suitable on the Earth. This is the importance of atmosphere. Now we will talk about the hydrosphere, the water parts. We have different types of water, which is salty water, fresh water, and groundwater. Fresh water, which represent 97%. And exist in oceans, seas, and fresh water, which represent 3%, and exist in rivers, lakes, and the snow at the 2 poles. And now we will talk about the groundwater, which exists in the pores and cracks of the rocks that forming the solid mass of the Earth. So the Earth have hydrosphere, which consists of salty water, fresh water, and groundwater. What is the importance of the water? Living of aquatic organism. The aquatic organism can't live without water, seas, oceans, or rivers, and used in making photosynthesis process. The plants can make photosynthesis process without water. And men and animals use it to absorption process and digestion process. Now we will talk about the third parts in the Earth, which is talking about the importance of gravity. Earth has gravity, which is used in steadfastness of object on the Earth's surface, steadfastness of atmosphere around the Earth and the hydrosphere, and keeping revolving of the Earth around the Sun and don't move to another orbit. Now we will talk about the Earth has a suitable temperature. Why it has a suitable temperature? According to the presence of the Earth in the third order far from the Sun, which makes it has suitable temperature for continuity of the living organisms' life at the day and night on the Earth's surface. And there is a very important part which is a suitable atmospheric pressure. The Earth has atmospheric pressure, where it characterizes the presence of atmospheric pressure, which about 76 centimeter. This pressure suits the continuity of the life on the Earth's surface. The Earth's crust divided into three parts: the Earth's crust, the mantle, and the core. The Earth's crust, which thickness is about 8 to 60 kilometers, and the mantle is about 2,885 kilometers, rocky layers, and consists of rocky layers. And the third is the core. We classified the core into outer core and inner core. The outer core is the molten metal, consists of molten metals and their thickness about 2,100 kilometers. And the inner core solid layer reaching iron, nickel, because they are heavy metals or heavy elements, and their thickness is about 1,350 kilometers. So we classify the Earth's crust in two layers, which is Earth's crust, mantle, and core. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoy.